In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up forms branching in Asana. Creating dynamic forms that guide users based on their responses can greatly enhance the ease of data collection and streamline your project management process. So let's dive right in. First off, we'll need to get to Asana. You can do this by visiting the Asana website and logging into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on Continue. Following this, you'll need to type in your password. Once all your credentials are in, click on Login to access your Asana dashboard. Now that you're on your Asana homepage, it's time to navigate to the project where you want to set up form branching. Once you've opened your project, locate the Customize button. This feature allows you to modify various elements of your project to suit your needs more effectively. Click on Customize, and in the drop-down menu, select Forms. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll see an Add button. Clicking on this will allow you to begin creating a new form. This is where the real customization happens. You'll start by adding questions to your form. Initially, add a basic question that needs to be included in your form. For creating a branching question, you'll want to click on the Add a Branch icon next to your question. This will generate a section directly beneath your initial question under option 1. This isn't where we stop though, it's just the beginning of dynamic form building. In this branching section, you can add more questions that are relevant to the user's previous response. Think of this as creating a conversational flow where the user's response directs them to the next relevant question. This ability to direct the user's journey through your form is particularly powerful, making the filling process more intuitive and less cluttered for respondents. Once you've completed adding all the questions and branches that your form requires, the final step is to click on Publish. This action will ensure your form is live and ready to collect responses. And there you have it. Your Asana form is now equipped with branching. This technique can greatly streamline how information is gathered, ensuring that your projects are managed with precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching today, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your Asana endeavors. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials to further enhance your project management skills.